Hello students, this is another problem on hire purchase system. Here in this problem the half of the goods are being repossessed. This is a problem regarding default and repossession. A default refers to when when the purchaser is unable to pay the installment money, then it becomes a default. Then at that time the purchase seller has a right to repossess or take back the goods. He can take full repossession or partly repossession. So in the last few recorded slide I have explained you the fully repossession. If he takes the full assets, then how to treat. Okay, this is a problem where there is a partial or the partly goods are being taken. Okay, let us see the problem first, then we will go for the calculation. Okay, Mr. Gagan purchased 3 truck costing 5 lakh each. 5 lakh each. Now 3 truck cost 15 lakh. 3 into 5 lakh, 15 lakh. On hire purchase system, payment was to be made rupees 3 lakh down and the remaining in the 3 equal installment together with interest at the end of each year. Okay. Now, rate of interest charged is 15%. Our interest is 15%. Buyer is depreciating the assets at 5, 10%, 20% per annum on written down value method. So buyer means nothing but those purchaser is depreciating his asset, that is in his book of account he maintain the value depreciation as a 20%. The method of depreciation is written down value method. Because of financial difficulties, Mr. Gagan, after having paid a down payment and first installment and at the end of the first year, could not pay the second installment. So he could not pay the second installment. The seller agreed to leave one truck with the purchaser and repossess the two truck, adjusting its value against the amount due. So what happened is the seller agreed to leave. He has taken 3 trucks, so he has not taken the he has paid a down payment and first installment, but could not pay the second installment. So, three second also he didn't pay, third also he didn't pay. So only one installment he has paid. Now what happens is he will take 2 trucks and he will leave one truck with with the purchaser itself. Adjusting it, see they have to adjust its value. The repossession was done on the basis of 30% depreciation per annum on the written down value method. So repossession is done on the depreciation. This depreciation, there are 2 depreciation rate. I will tell you where to take this depreciation. But for the repossessed done, the depreciation rate is 30%. Seller, after spending 70,000 on repair of the assay, sold them for rupees 6,20,000. Seller, he has spent it for the repairing cost expenses as 70,000 and sold them for 6,20,000. And what happened is they have sold the truck for 6,20,000. Okay. Show the ledger accounts in the books of both the parties to record about transaction. Now we have to show the ledger accounts in the books of both the parties. In the books of both the parties, you have to show the ledger account. Okay, so let us go through the problem now. Before that, you have to calculate the interest for the 3 years. Now, in the problem, they have given you the they have given you the cash price of the asset, then installment, rate of interest. Cash price is 3 lakh, 5 lakh, and remaining in 3 installment with the interest at the end of each year. Okay. So they have given you the cash price, uh, which is how much? 5 lakh into 3, it is 15 lakh. And they have given you the down payment also. They have given you the installment also, because see, 15 minus 3 is a 12. 12 they have to divide into 3 installments. So 12 means for each installment they will be getting nearly 12 divided by 6, 4 lakh they have to pay 4 lakh each every year. Now with the interest, we don't know. So we don't know the installment amount, we don't know installment with interest. Okay, so this is the second case we have to go. Here the cash price we know the installment but without interest, and we know the rate of interest. Okay, so we will calculate the interest now. See here, cash price 5 lakh into 3, 15 lakh, less down payment to 3 lakh, then outstanding balance 12 lakh. Now 12 lakh divided by 3 means 4 lakh plus installment they have to pay. So the interest for the first year will be, what is remaining to pay, 12 lakh into 15%, it is 1 lakh 80,000. Okay, so now for the first year the installment will be 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 80,000, it is 5 lakh 80,000. For second year 12 lakh remaining, they have paid 4 lakh installment. We have to take the principal amount, not including interest. Principal amount if you deduct, you will get 8 lakh. 8 lakh into 15%, it is 1 lakh 20,000. Now interest for the third year is 8 lakh remaining minus 4 lakh they have paid. So 4 lakh into 15%, 60,000. So these are the interest for the 2 years. Okay, first year interest and first year installment. Because second year installment we have not calculated. Why? Because he will not pay the installment, and third year also he will not pay. Now we have to calculate the value of a retained truck, because he has left one truck with the purchaser itself. So what is the cash price of one truck? It is 5 lakh rupees. 5 each means for one truck it is 5 lakh. Less a depreciation 20%. 20% depreciation, 5 lakh into 20%, it is 1 lakh. So what is remaining? 4 lakh. Less depreciation for the second year. Second year, because second year we charge it because they have left the machine on second year. So second year depreciation is charged. Now what is the rate of depreciation is taken? It is taken the buyer's depreciation rate. We have two depreciation rate in the problem. So retained value we have to take buyer's depreciation, that is 20%. Okay, 5 lakh into 20%, you will get 1 lakh. Then again for the 4 lakh into 20%, you will get 80,000. Now deduct, you will get 3 lakh 20,000. The value of the repossessed truck, they have taken how many trucks? 2 trucks. So what is the value of 2 trucks? So cash value of 2 trucks is 3 lakh into 2, 6 lakh. 5 lakh into 2, 10 lakh. Let's say depreciation. Depreciation for the first year, that is 30%. 30% we have to take. 10 lakh into 30%, we will take 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees. So 10 lakh into 30%, it is 3 lakh rupees. 30% is a depreciation for the this thing. Okay, 10 lakh into 30%, 3 lakh. Now the remaining value is 7 lakh. Less depreciation for the second year. Second year we have to take the depreciation, which is 7 lakh into 30%, which is 2 lakh 10,000 rupees. So 7 lakh minus 2 lakh 10,000, we will get the value of 2 repossessed truck, which is 4 lakh 90,000. Only the depreciation you have to remember. For the retained truck, the buyer's depreciation. Then depreciation for the repossessed is to repossessed depreciation, which is 30%. Now we have to open the account in the books of Gagan and in the books of a seller. Okay, so we have to open 3 accounts together, that is Gagan's account, higher seller's account, and interest account. So first entry will be of purchase entry. So what is the entry for purchase? Gagan's trucks account entered to higher seller account. So high truck account entered to higher seller account first year, 15 lakh rupees. Now go to the higher seller account, write buy truck. So first year buy truck 5 lakh rupees. Then what happened is down payment. You have to check the down payment, which is first year you have to write down higher seller account entered to cash account 3 lakh rupees down payment. Then after that, this is a first year and in beginning entry, first year beginning. Next, at the end of every year we have to pass depreciation entry, installment entry, and interest entry and transfer entry. Okay, first is interest entry. So by interest account calculated, see the working note, you will get 1 lakh 80,000. Then they have paid installment. So higher seller account entered to cash account, at the end to cash account 5 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh 80,000. You check the problem, you will get because in the working note you will get, because the 5 lakh is the installment amount. 4 lakh is the installment plus the interest added. So total installment is 5 lakh 80,000. Next comes depreciation. So by depreciation account in the books of Gagan, so we have to pass 20% depreciation. So 5 lakh into 15 lakh into 20%, it is 3 lakh. So now carry down, brought down, close the account, bring the balance to the next year. It is nearly 12 lakh. So here also close the account and bring the balance to the next year. Balance brought down 8 lakh. So now the interest account, just transfer the interest. See, buy interest means to higher seller. So in the interest account to higher seller account, 1,80,000 transfer to profit and loss account. Okay. And next comes the other entries, like every year's entry. Interest we have to pass because installment he will not pay, but depreciation we have to pass. Okay, so interest entry as usual we will pass. By interest account 1,20,000. Okay, then what is the value of the truck taken? Okay, see here we have calculated here 4,90,000 you will get here. Yeah, call of the repossessed truck. So what is the value of the repossessed truck? 4,90,000. So here to truck account repossessed value we have taken, because this assets they have taken in from him. So 4,90,000. Now what is the balance remaining? Bring the balance. This interest you charge your transfer to profit and loss account. Now here you have written 2 truck, right? Here you have written 2 truck, right? True truck account 4,90,000. If it is 2 truck means come to the truck account by higher seller 4,90,000. Okay, now what is a balance? I mean, what is the value of the assets retained? You go to the problem and check. You you will come to know. You go to the problem and check. You go to the problem and check. Here not problem, I mean value of this thing. See, retained truck, that is balance carry down. Okay, in the Gagan's account, balance carry down is nothing but the value of retained truck, that is 3,20,000. Now the difference will transfer to the profit and loss account, that is 1,50,000. This is a balancing figure, 1,50,000. Okay. Okay, now his account is over. Now in the books of highest seller we have to open the account. Okay, highest seller's account we have to open Gagan's account. Gagan's account first entry will be to first year Gagan's account debtor to sales account, that is total sales price 5 lakh truck, each truck 3 trucks, so 5 lakh into 3, 15 lakh. Next comes the down payment received by cash account 3 lakhs, so cash account debtor to Gagan's account 3 lakh. Next is interest. So interest is charge in Gagan's account debtor to interest account 1,80,000. So Gagan's account debtor to interest account 1,80,000. Now we have to pay the installment. I mean installment, that is by cash. He will receive the cash, so it is by cash 5,80,000. Down payment received entry, after that installment received entry, after that close the balance, balance carried on and balance brought down. Okay, so first year entry is, one is sale entry, next is down payment received entry, next is interest charge entry, next is installment received entry, then balance carried on, then bring the balance brought down. Then to interest is interest charged, you check the working note you will get. Then the repossessed stock, at what value the stock retained, I mean repossessed value is in the working note you will get. What is the repossessed value of 2 trucks? It is 4,90,000. Okay, then balance you will get, bring the balance carried on and brought down. Now open repossessed truck account. By repossessed means it is second year, to Gagan's account 4,90,000. Then he has spent for expenses, so to cash account 70,000. If you check the problem at the end, it is given to cash account 70,000. Then they have sold this asset. Okay, they have sold this asset. So I mean they have sold for 6,20,000. So by cash account 6,20,000. Now close the account, transfer to profit and loss account 60,000. Transfer to profit and loss account to 60,000. Now close the account, it is 6,20,000. Interest account, it is to profit and loss account, and by Gagan's. To by Gagan's account is nothing but interest you have charged, right? See here, to interest. Wherever you have written to interest, transfer it. To interest means by Gagan's. Okay, so by Gagan's account, transfer to profit and loss account. Again, second year also. Third years it will not come because he has not paid the amount from first years he has paid, so second year he has not paid. So second years we will pass the entry and then transfer to profit and the loss account. Okay, this is about the default and repossession of a partly repossession. So this is the last concept of this chapter, that is uh, partially repossessed. What is the thing you have to do is, first you have to calculate the interest, then the value of retained truck and the value of the repossessed truck. Okay, both you have to calculate, then you have to entry as usual you have to pass. At the end you have to remember, okay, at the end, on the date of on the year of default, how to pass the entries, remember. Then as usual you have to pass the entries. Any doubts you can ask. Thank you.